So our motto, what is our motto? How to access. So now, so what is our point here is today how to access the data in data frame. So that's the point. Okay, so now if you observe here what is happening, we have created a data frame and how we will access using a lock and iLock method, we will see. So what is the difference between iLock and lock? So now the name itself says lock. What do you mean by lock? Is what we are going to see. So first of all, we'll see about lock and then we'll see about iLock. Okay. So both are same only to access the data. Both these methods are used for to access the data, but what is the difference is what we need to see. So let us consider we have a data frame. So we have a dictionary. Let us consider. We will take the same dictionary as previous one so that we'll have an idea. So this is our dictionary. But in order to import pandas, what we need to do? Pandas as PD. Okay. So what is our motto? To understand lock method in pandas data frame. Understand data frame. So now how we create a data frame? PD dot data frame, right? Data frame F capital. We need to pass that particular dictionary. All right. So now we will send the indexes. So what is that? Okay, we need to pass that into df. Okay. Now the data frame has been created. Now we will create a row index. Okay, we'll create a row index. Okay, row index is equal to, we will say how many rows we have? 1 2 3 4 4, right? So we will say as yeah, r1 row 1 So now what we want to say is df.info is equal to we need to pass row index. Shit. So row index, my entry is this. So we will say df underscore info. Okay, df.row index. So now we'll say df. So what happens? We'll see now. Yes. Still now we have not added the info, right? So now we want to find out. Okay, we want to, like, now we have added this. So did we do anything? So we have added a row index, but we have not accessed via this, right? So now we will see how we will access via this. So if you understand here, so now what we are going to see is we want to find out using my data frame. I'll say log, okay, log of okay. So okay, I got a call. So now we will say log of what is that? Row 1. Okay, maybe I have added double digits. That may be the point. Yeah. So now what we'll do? We'll say row 1, comma. What is that? We'll say names. So row 1 is not there. Oh wow. So that is another point we need to have. Sorry, df dot index I need to specify. I saw specified wrong. That's the reason teaching came. Yeah. Now I want to access the Johns itself. Now I can say df dot row 1 of names. So if I want to access a particular with a row name, so the final result is that. Okay. So now we have understood. So what we have what we have understood, we have understood with the location we got the data. We can access the data using a row header and a column header. So we have access to the data. So now we are not doing with the index values. We are doing with the row header and column headers. So we have done with that. So now we will see one more example that we will say, we will go to another example. Now how it will be if I pass in all values. So I'll say none, and I'll say none. But we have not printed the data frame. Yeah. So now you see here we have passed none, but still the value is NaN. Okay. Why that is the reason? What is the reason? We need to understand. So we'll see. We'll see what is the reason we are getting this. So and again we can pass. We can prepare the index with a new one. So let us say till we saw with the row 1 and row 2, right? So we'll increase the size so that we can understand very well. So we'll say R1, R2, R3, R4. We have specified the index. Now we will print this. In order to access the value length mismatches. So what was the length? Oh, 5 it is, right? Sorry. So that's why we need to specify R5. Yeah. So R5, we got a R5. So from here, we want to access it. So if you observe here, what is the values of, we can print out from here, what I can print here, df dot, okay, df dot location of, I want to find out two things here now. What is that? We want to find out inside the locations, okay, of R1, not R1, we'll specify name 1. We will add one more variable here. So we can say age 23, 22, 24, 25, 26. So let's say we'll store this into result. So we will say print of result. Oh, names is not there. Huh? Names is there. Names is there. Maybe the key error. So this is a key only, right? So now we got a key error. Yes. see the mistakes what we do, we should learn from that. So I want everything from every other value. So now I'll say slicing. What kind of a slicing it is? Yeah. So now my point is I want every other data. Okay. Every other data. So now we were printing initially the first data frame you see, I have printed every other data frame. So when I say none value, what happens is what the point is none is a not a number. So if you give a not a number also, how I will access not a number is there. So for this person, so we are getting none. But what we want, we have a data frame, but I don't want the ID. I want everything in the location which is of names and age. But I don't want full data frame. I want a selected data frame. Yes, you can pull that selected data frame from location. So from location, what will we understand here is using the labels, of a column and row, we can access the data of a data frame. Okay, that is about location. So when we talk about ilog now, so ilog is what you mean by ilog. We will see. So ilog, the name itself says ilog is nothing but index based index value. Based on index value, I want that. So let us consider I have a data frame again. So we are taking same data frame for time constraint. So we have a data frame ready now. So what we are going to see, first of all, so we'll print df dot ilog of 0. ilog of 0.
Hey,
So what is happening when I say 0? Automatically the 0 row has been came. So we'll type of go on mute. Please go on mute if you are not asking any question. Okay. So what is happening? It is a series. So from when I say ilog, when you use ilog, I am getting a one row in a data frame. We are not getting entire data frame. We are getting a one row in a data frame. That is nothing but a series. So from this we can derive a definition. What is that? A collection of pandas series is nothing but a data frame. So we need to understand that also. So now how we will do this also, we may take this as an example. So how to access a series from the data frame. So that is another beautiful example we got now. So so we see, you see here. So now I say to pass to the location and pass to this location. So both are very different. Both are very different. Okay, how to access a data frame? So that we saw now. Apart from this, we can we can see this example also, whatever is there in the slide. So the difference between this, so numpy array we have, so we will take a numpy array and we will find out the difference. So now what is the point? We will create a pandas data frame. We need to create a numpy array. So in that case, again we need to have import numpy as np, and we'll say array is equal to np dot, what is that? Np dot array we need to say, right? Np dot array, np dot array. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This is the numpy array. So where we can pass into a data frame. That is nothing but pd dot d capital data frame of array. So we have printed out our data frame. This is not subscriptable. Okay. Okay. So we'll say index is equal to how many values are there? 0, 1, 2, 3.
So in array declaration, you have missed a bracket.
Missed a bracket. Okay. Number. Okay. Yeah. So now we have this. So now what we'll do, we will specify here print of df dot location of 2. So if I say location of 2, so what will come? Here 2 is not there, right? So what we'll say, we'll add 6, and we'll add 7, and we'll add 2 here so that we can understand what exactly is 2, 5 only. Let's say 1 at least. So 1 is what? So 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is there. So otherwise we can print one more values also so that we can understand 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and we'll say 2. So 2 is there. So what is happening now? When I say 2, it's coming. It is giving you as row 2. Okay. The same we'll apply with the ilog. This is very, very important. Interview questions also. Into perspective also, it is very, very important. So what we are getting, if I say ilog of 2 and I2 log of 2, is there any data difference we have? Is there any data difference we have? Are the people understanding what I'm asking? What is the question I'm asking? So now we have to pass 2 to I location. Yes, we have passed. We have passed data frame location. Okay. So both are giving what is the question. What did you understand from this? What did you understand from this case? What is the location? What is the location answer? What is the location answer? So we have done a previous example also. In that location, okay. So when I say location, I need a location of this particular name and age means. So we are using the second one, so the name as well as the age. So we took another example also, beautiful example here, row 1 and names 1. So in that case, if I specify, I'll get that particular value. So here I can specify so 0, 2 or 2 we specified, 2 we specified, and 2, 2 I can specify. If I specify this, what will come this? So what it came 2, 2. What is that? So this one 2, 2 means 9 came. 9 is the answer. Okay, that particular column header and row header, if we are using that particular. If I say 2 location to index of 2, so irrespective of the name what you have given to the index, using an index, you know the index name, I can use location. I don't know the index name, but I know the number, index number. You don't know the index number, we will go to the location. You know the index number, you will go to the size of the data frame, you will go to the index. So it is based on the index of that one particular value. It is based on the row name of that particular. So both are one and same. That's why it was both are one and same. In that case, 789, 789. You didn't understand, right? So what we'll do now, we will change this point to 1. So now what happens? We'll see. So now it came through 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So now here, can I pass multiple one? No, you can't pass. Yes, we can pass now. So you see here, particular 1, 1. 1, 1. So even 1, 3. So now it is like index value. You know, you so use accessing via index value. This is accessing via index name. That's the point. Are you people clear? Any doubt? So you don't know the name, you go with the index. You know the name, you go with the location. Clear? Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, shall we tell me, like, shall we move further into the another topic? Yes, we'll move on another topic.